guys, it's Finley from Bartlett Automotive, and behind me we've got a nearly new Porsche Boxster. We're doing its first inspection service today, and during that we're doing a condition report and a brake fluid service as well. And as we're a PPN partner, we can do this without validating your Porsche warranty. Cool, so we're all done with this Boxster and we're going to get it back on its way. So if you've got something new and you're worried about voiding its warranty, that won't happen here at Bartlett's. Hopefully we'll see you soon.